Hello and welcome to WASSCE iTech Solutions. I'm Jest, and today I've got an exciting update for all prospective students who sat for the 2024 West African Senior School Certificate Examination, also known as WASSCE. The West African Examinations Council, WASSCE, has officially completed marking the scripts for this year's WASSCE for school candidates. This means we are one step closer to the release of the much-anticipated results. According to WASSCE's head of public affairs, the provisional results are expected to be released in the second week of December. Between December 9th and 15th, 2024, students will be able to access their results. This year's WASSCE began on Monday, August 5th, 2024, with the visual art project work and concluded on Friday, September 20th, 2024. A total of 460,611 candidates from 1,003 senior high schools took part, with exams held at 1,000 centers nationwide. Now, let me guide you through the steps to check your results once they're released. Step 1. Visit the WASSCE for School Result Checking Portal. www.ghanaweekdirect.com. Step 2. Enter your index number. Step 3. Select the type of examination, WASSCE. Step 4. Choose your examination year 2024. Step 5. Enter the serial number on your result checker card. Step 6. Input the 12-digit PIN on your result checker card. Step 7. Double-check your index number and examination year to ensure accuracy. Step 8. Finally, click Submit and wait for the pop-up window to display your results. This might take a few moments, so stay patient. I encourage all students to stay calm as we count down to December. Your hard work is about to pay off. For more updates on education, technology, and everything in between, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell here at WASSCE iTech Solutions. Until next time, I'm Jest. Best of luck with your results, and remember, we're here to keep you informed and inspired.